Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Here I am showing you real earning tips. If you are crazy to earn online, this post is specially for you. Yes, you. Because you are precious to me. Here I am going to tell you all the best ways of earning online. 1. Fiverr. It is the top earning platform, which I personally use to make money online. If you want to know about Fiverr in detail, you can go for this post. Complete guide, how to sign up for Fiverr. You can use the link below to check my profile and reviews on Fiverr. Also you can order me on Fiverr, if you are a buyer. www.fiverr.com web link. All links are given in description below. 2. Tool-Insert. This is the other earning platform. Tool-Insert is also a best for you. Join this platform and get start making money online. Check my post about Tool-Insert detail by clicking below. How to use Tool-Insert. 3 people per hour. Must give a try to people per hour. It is super cool if you have great skills. How to join people per hour. 4. Upwork. The great way to earn online. In freelancing career, you must have to try Upwork for your better career. Must have an eye on this link is how to join Upwork. 5. Freelancer. If you are at your entry level, you have to use Freelancer. When you get many projects there, you can also move for other ones, with your great portfolio. Also hit the link below if you want more detail. How to sign up for Freelancer. If you still want to know which type of services or skills you can provide, just click below. Skills, services you can provide on freelancing platform. Thanks for watching.